So in my final year of teaching, I realized that the kids I was teaching, children in general, were were very much entitled. Yeah. And the reason why these kids are entitled is because their parents are entitled. Okay. So as when you parents are out here shouting and making declarations that your problems should be solved by a government, you know, that is a display of entitlement, you know, and this entitlement is inherited by your offspring, your children. Yeah. So to counteract that entitlement, that sense of entitlement, I changed my approach to teaching. So I'd walk into class, declare a problem. I remember that in the last 6 months, I was teaching about energy, grade 11 energy, grade 10 energy. And this is what's in grade 11 and 10. So I'd walk into the class and declare a problem. Okay, class, this is the problem, and we would discuss this problem. You know, this would force these kids to come up with solutions to the problem, right? And when they whatever solutions they came up with, I would dissect the solution. I would dissect the solution and frustrate these kids, you know. And upon realizing that the solutions that they had thought of came up short, this would force them to refer to their textbook. Now we have a reason to actually read what is written into these textbooks, you know. So I'd give them a 5 minute break to just read through the content, you know. Thereafter, they would come up with new solutions that are now informed by what they have read. You see. So when they come up with these new solutions, they come up with solutions and with questions to improve upon whatever they've thought of, you know. And we would work through whatever problem that was presented. You see. I remember one time, um, I walked into the class and I was like, hey, at that time the country was struggling with load shedding. So I walk into the class and I'm like, you know what? We need to stop giving people electricity. We need to stop, as a country, we need to stop supplying electricity to homes. Naturally, there was an uproar. You know, these kids went mad. These kids went mad. How can we do that? You know, how can we do that? That's a bad thing. Wada wada. You know, everybody was against me. You know, I'm a bad teacher. You know, so then I stated my reasons why we should stop supplying electricity to homes. You know, and they stated the reasons why we should. And when we were discussing these matters, these we I forced these kids into a position of now you have to start solving your own problems. You see, you develop that capacity to find solutions to problems that the child is facing. You know, and I hope that these sort of exercises sort of developed their confidence in their abilities to solve their problems, because that's what being an adult means, really. You know, as opposed to defaulting to the culture that we have in this country of just blaming the government for everything. You know, I don't like making videos. So thank you for your time.